Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be making a practical and stylish desktop organizer using cardboard. This simple project is perfect for keeping your desk tidy and your stationery organized. What you will need for this craft: sturdy cardboard, a ruler, pencil, scissor or utility knife, glue, decorative paper or paint for stylish finish, and a few small items to personalize your organizer. So let's get started. Let's start by cutting out the pieces of cardboard for the organizer. You will need several rectangles for the base, the walls and the compartments. Be sure to measure carefully to fit the size you want. Now that we have our pieces cut, it's time to assemble the base. Glue the bottom and side panels together. Make sure they are firmly in place and aligned properly. Hold for a few moments to let the glue set. Next, we will create the dividers. Measure and cut smaller pieces of cardboard for the compartments where your pens, pencils, and other items will go. These can be different sizes depending on what you plan to store. Once the structure is complete, it's time to get creative. You can paint the organizer, cover it with decorative paper, or add washi tape for a personalized look. This will add a stylish finish to your new desk accessory. For the finishing touches, double check that all the compartments are securely in place and give it a quick coat of glue or varnish for extra durability. And there you have it. Your own cardboard desktop organizer is ready to use. Perfect for storing pens, pencils, notebooks, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more creating craft. Thanks for watching.